A wolf encounter isn't always what people imagine. Sometimes it's quiet, almost peaceful. Wolves are often misunderstood. They're shy, intelligent, and usually want nothing to do with people, but every once in a while, paths cross. So, what do you do if that happens to you? So, here is our scenario. You're walking along a quiet trail, just enjoying the rhythm of your footsteps and the sound of leaves brushing in the wind. Then you notice it. The forest has gone silent. Just stillness. As you round a bend, you see something standing in the middle of the path. A wolf. It's just watching you, head low, eyes locked on yours. In that moment, the world shrinks to the space between you and the animal, deciding what you are: a threat, a curiosity, or something else. Today, let's see what we can do to survive in a scenario like this. First, let's get to know one. Today, wolves are found across northern regions of North America, Europe and Asia. They thrive in habitats including mountains and tundra, not just forest. And as you may know, they can be found in Arctic and arid regions. If you are in North America, you can find wolves in Alaska, Canada, the Great Lakes region and other locations. Here is a fun fact. On another continent, you can find the African golden wolf and the Ethiopian wolf. A wolf is built like a force of nature. Lean muscle, long legs, and a stride that eats up miles without slowing. Its jaws are powerful, its senses cut through darkness and distance, and every movement is tuned for survival. When hunting, almost nothing in the wild moves with more purpose. A wolf moves with a kind of precision that feels unreal, one moment still as stone, the next exploding into motion. While its legs are built for long, ground-eating strides, it's the agility that truly stuns you. The sharp turns, the sudden stops, the way it weaves through trees as if the forest itself is clearing a path. Every movement is efficient, controlled, and frighteningly fast. This makes it more than enough to quickly chase down a man. When going all in, a wolf can reach speeds around 40 miles per hour. You are not outrunning one. Now, let's talk about intelligence. Something can be fast, but if it's prone to running off cliffs at top speed, well, not great. Wolves are exceptionally intelligent animals. They can solve problems, cooperate strategically, and communicate with great complexity, even to the point of outperforming other mammals. They're skilled problem solvers, able to work through puzzles, learn by watching others, and remember solutions long after. In fact, wolves often outperform dogs in tasks that require persistence and understanding cause and effect. Scientists have found that wolves are excellent problem solvers. They'll keep testing ideas, learning from each other and remembering what works. In group challenges, they cooperate naturally. And every so often, researchers capture surprising behaviour, like a wolf pulling up a crab trap to reach food. Impressive. Now, what about the power these predators pack? A wolf's strength isn't just in its muscles. It's in the way every part of its body is engineered for power. Their shoulders and neck are packed with dense muscle, built to wrestle large prey and drag down animals far heavier than themselves. And the real power lies in their bite. A wolf can clamp down with hundreds of pounds of pressure, strong enough to crush bone and tear through tough hide. All right, now we have seen what the wolf brings to an encounter. So what do we do, and what do we avoid in a close encounter? When a wolf is already on edge, the worst thing you can do is turn and run. Wolves are endurance hunters, built to chase, built to close distance, and built to keep going long after a human would collapse. The moment you bolt, you flip a switch in their instincts, the same instinct that drives them to pursue fleeing prey across miles of wilderness. A wolf doesn't need to sprint to catch you. It just needs to match your pace while you burn through every ounce of energy you have. Running tells them you're panicked, vulnerable, and worth chasing. Hiding from a wolf is almost pointless. Its nose can track your scent for miles, and its ears catch even the smallest shift. You might think you've vanished, but to a wolf, you're impossible to miss. Even indoors, hiding isn't always foolproof. Wolves can follow a scent trail right up to a building, and if they're curious or alert, they may linger nearby. Staying aware and avoiding confrontation is always the safer move. Thankfully, wolves can't use doorknobs, no thumbs. So there is that. Wolves are naturally cautious, and the goal is to show them you're confident, not afraid. Standing tall, making yourself look bigger, and speaking in a steady, firm voice helps signal that you're aware and not easy to approach. When you're with others, that message becomes even stronger. A group looks larger and more unpredictable. And as you do this, slowly backing up gives the wolf space to disengage without feeling pressured. Together, those signals encourage the wolf to move on peacefully. In the wilderness, preparation matters. Bear spray is your best defensive tool, creating a strong sensory barrier that encourages a wolf to retreat. A knife is far more useful for everyday survival tasks than for any kind of confrontation. And a medpack ensures you can treat minor injuries quickly, keeping you mobile and focused. These tools don't replace good judgment, but they support it, helping you stay safe while giving wildlife the space it needs. In almost any animal encounter, your greatest advantage isn't strength or speed, it's good sense. Animals act on instinct, but you can think ahead, stay calm, and make a plan. Whether it's giving wildlife space, backing away slowly, or using your voice to stay in control, your ability to assess the situation makes all the difference. Remembering that you can stay aware, make smart choices, and avoid escalating the moment is what keeps most encounters from becoming dangerous in the first place. We hope you enjoyed this video. Always consult professionals if venturing into areas with potentially dangerous animals, and always keep a calm head. Be safe out there, guys, and thanks for watching.